As extreme weather becomes more frequent, emergency preparedness is a priority for many families. And having a reliable backup power source isn't just convenient, it's essential. So today we're joined by natural disaster preparedness expert Cheryl Nelson to share a solution that could keep your home powered and connected when it matters the most. So thank you so much. Welcome back to the show.
Hi, Jordan. Thank you so much for having me. I've got to say, as a meteorologist and FEMA instructor, gosh, I've seen how crucial it is to have dependable power during emergencies. And that's why I'm so excited to introduce the Jackery 2000 V2 solar generator. This is small, lightweight, but incredibly powerful. Weighing at just under 40 pounds, it's the lightest and smallest lithium ion phosphate backup power system available, making it a perfect addition to any home's emergency plan. This is amazing to have right here.
Yeah, and the lightweightness factor, I think, is really crucial for a lot of us, especially in an emergency. We want to be able to move it and take it where we need. So what sets, other than that, the Jackery 2000 V2 apart from traditional generators that we're used to seeing out there?
Yeah, that's a great question. And this is one of the best things about it. Unlike bulky gas or diesel generators, which require fuel, installation, and regular maintenance, the Jackery 2000 V2 is plug and play. Now, there's no need for constant refueling or worrying about harmful emissions. And plus, it's quiet. Unlike traditional generators that can be loud and disruptive, the Jackery, it operates in silent mode at less than 30 decibels. So it's not going to disturb you if you're watching TV or if you're sleeping. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, that is amazing because they can get very loud. And then, of course, in an emergency, what kind of devices can this generator actually power?
Yeah, the Jackery 2000 V2 is incredibly versatile. Now, with 2,200 watts of output power, it can handle essential appliances like your refrigerator, your Wi-Fi router, and even your security system. And in fact, its uninterruptible power supply feature, it switches to battery power in under 20 milliseconds, ensuring that your connected devices stay powered on without interruption.
And I think a lot of us think, working from home that could be beneficial, and it could be, but definitely for someone who has those medical devices, right? That it's like kind of like a life or death situation that they have to have constantly plugged in. So that's really nice to know. But how long can it keep things running?
Yeah, I'm glad that you asked that because this is super impressive. So the Jackery 2000 V2, it can power a refrigerator for up to 8 hours or a microwave for an hour and a half if you want to run it that long, which is perfect for keeping the essentials going during those short-term outages. Now, if you need to run smaller devices like laptops, medical devices, or even an electric wheelchair, it is equally up to the task, ensuring your family's safety and comfort throughout an emergency. This packs a punch here.
It sounds like it. And I imagine that it needs to recharge quickly after heavy use, right?
Oh my gosh, yes. So the Jackery 2000 V2 offers super fast recharging. It can go from 0 to fully charged in just 1.3 hours. That's so fast, and it's a huge plus in emergencies when you need reliable power backup quickly. And it doesn't just stop in emergencies. You can also use it for outdoor activities like camping trips, tailgates, or really any situation where off-grid power is handy. So this can come in handy in a lot of situations.
Definitely. And is there an option for people, though, who want to go green and use renewable energy?
Yes, and that is one of the exciting parts about it. So Jackery offers these solar panels as an optional accessory. So you can charge your generator entirely using renewable energy. Now, whether you're in an emergency situation or just enjoying a day outdoors, you can harness the power of the sun. This is really a great step towards sustainability, and it ensures that you have power really no matter where you are, even off the grid.
That is really cool. I like that feature as well. So where can viewers find the Jackery 2000 V2 solar generator?
Okay, so Jackery has a surprise Prime Day deal on Amazon. Only $999. That's really good, and I highly recommend checking it out because having a reliable, easy to use, and powerful backup power solution can give you peace of mind, especially when it comes to keeping your family safe and connected. And with everything we've seen in the news with Helene, I know that people know what it's like now to be without power, and you want to make sure you have a solution.
Yeah, and you don't want to wait last minute for that kind of thing. You want to be, like you're saying, I mean, that's the whole point of this topic, right? Preparedness. And it sounds like it's really versatile. And especially with that deal on Amazon, that seems pretty cool. So thank you so much, Cheryl. And of course, follow Cheryl on social media for more safety tips at Cheryl Nelson TV. And then you can also go online at preparewithcher.com. Thanks again.
Thanks, Jordan.
Of course. And everyone at home, if you'd like to see this interview again, you can head to First Coast News Plus.